Good afternoon, everyone. It's weekend. Happy weekend. And it's almost the end of the month. Let's have our Tagalog WOTD. It's what I'm having right now. And someone wants some tira-tira. Tira-tira is what I'm having. Gyoza that I made last night. Pechay. And some meat. Tira-tira. Tira-tira means leftovers. Leftovers. Whoever wants tira-tira, come sit with me. Oh boy. You want tira-tira too? Do you want tira-tira as well? Do you want tira-tira as well, Hiro? Yummy. You want some yummy too? Say that's all, everyone. That's all, everyone. Why are you sitting like that? Hira, why like that?